Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter T in sign language. Here we go. This is how you make a T, make a T, make a T. This is how you make a T in sign language. Very good, friends, we did it. We made the letter T in sign language. Now that we've done that, I think it's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box today. I wonder what amazing things we'll find. Let's find out. Here we go. I found something. What could this be? It's a turtle. Wow. I wonder what we'll find next. What is this? It's a tomato. Okay, there should be one more thing hiding inside of our mystery box. I wonder what it is. What is this? It's a train. Turtle, tomato, and train all start with the letter T. Now, let's watch a video on trains. A train is a type of land transportation. Trains consist of wheeled cars linked together in a row. Trains travel along a path of two metal rails or tracks. Trains are powered by an engine that burns diesel fuel or by using steam or electricity. Trains can travel on land, underground, or even above the ground. Trains often carry passengers, and these passengers can travel short distances like across a city, or very long distances like across an entire country. Train. Thank you for learning all about the letter T with me today, friends, and I'll see you again next time.